All right, everybody. Unfortunately, football season is coming to an end, which I don't really care about because my team didn't even make it to the playoffs. But I have to bless y'all with a few appetizing ideas that you can have if you're having a Super Bowl party or you just at the house like me and my wife enjoying the game. Today, we're gonna do some potato wedges, but we're gonna do it a little bit different. You know, usually they'll use a wet batter to fry it. We're gonna use Blue Magic all-purpose fried batter, which is available right now. And we're gonna top it with some bacon, some of my cheese sauce. You're gonna learn how to make a cheese sauce. We're gonna throw some green onions on it. It's gonna be fire. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, first, we're gonna put our bacon in the oven because the shit takes so long. Use thick cut bacon. That thin cut shit, I mean, that only worked for like breakfast or something like. But when you're using this to mince it and top it with stuff, use the thick cut. So I'm gonna just layer this on my bacon sheet. Now a lot of people, you know, you might wanna fry your bacon in the pan, in a skillet. I mean, that's cool, but I'm making brown sugar bacon. So you can only do that in the oven. Please do not put brown sugar on your bacon and throw it in the skillet, because you're gonna find out. All right, I'll sprinkle some of this brown sugar on. I'm gonna spread that around. What I love with my brown sugar bacon is pepper. You gotta add black pepper. So pat that down. When you're using brown sugar on bacon, I really can't give you a cook time. You just gotta watch that shit because the brown sugar will caramelize and it'll get black as fuck real fast, and then you won't be able to eat it unless you like Damo. That's an insider. In the oven, after about 20 minutes, you might want to start watching it. Now, the next step, you're gonna have to blanch your potatoes. You never just want to throw them in the fryer. I mean, you see how thick this shit is? Please do not do that. It's gonna take too long. Your wedges are gonna come out super brown. You don't want that, like hella brown. We have some boiling water. We're gonna blanch these for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're gonna take them out and let them cool off before we dredge them and fry them. I'm not gonna dump this shit up here. All right, our next step, the cheese sauce. Easy to make. Basically gonna make us a roux, bechamel, cheese, to your desired thickness. Mine for these, I'm gonna not want it too thin, but for sure not too thick. So we're gonna add a stick of butter. When that melts, we're gonna throw in 1/2 cup flour, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I like to put extra onion powder because in a cheese sauce or mac and cheese, it's fire. Like Sunny, she does not like mac and cheese without seasonings in it. Some of y'all be thinking that Velveeta and cheddar is enough. It's really not. All right, now we're gonna add in our seasoning and our flour. Make us a roux, so you can smell it right now. You can just smell it. Don't forget to heat up your milk. You don't want to put cold milk in a roux. It's gonna take forever, and this minimizes the lumps. And once you pour it in, just keep stirring. And it's gonna thicken up quick. See how fast that's thickening up? Less than 30 seconds. Cold milk, that's out. And that was about 3.5 cups of milk. Like I said, it's to your desired thickness. If it's too thick, just add the rest of the milk. But once you add your cheese, the shit is gonna thicken up anyway. See, this is my desired thickness right here. Because when I'm pouring that cheese, it's gonna get thicker. about 3 cups of shredded cheese. And it's perfect. This is perfect. That's perfect. Because I'm gonna sit it to the side. Once you sit it to the side, as it cools down, it's gonna get thicker. So this is perfect right here. So our potatoes are ready. Just gonna sit them right here so they can cool off. Now our bacon is done. Look at it. Look how good that looks. Brown sugar bacon in the oven, best way. If you want to speed the process up, shoot it up to 400 degrees, but you gotta watch this. Now, you only need a few pieces. I'm gonna do 3. I'm gonna save the rest for my son, because he loves bacon. Just gonna cut it. I don't know, I might put all this shit on it. All right, now we're about to fry our potato wedges. You know what we're using? Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter, which is still available online. It's selling like crazy. Thank you to everybody that's been supporting. Like I told you, we got our flour and water, our wet batter, and don't rush, don't rush. You know, when you blanch these, they're real easy to break. I'm gonna put them in here, and our Blue Magic. Give them a toss. Just gonna lay them in here while they wait for the fryer. Now our potato wedges are ready for the fryer. Just gonna throw them in there. Now we're gonna let those fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. And we're ready to plate. Y'all know I love plating. So these are just like Jack in the Box potato wedges.
You didn't even know that till I reminded you. Huh?
Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't know.
Like,
What are bacon cheddar potato wedges?
but no, I'm just saying we was doing what they call it?
What?
Whatever. It don't matter. Can I dig in?
Yeah, go ahead. Let me know something.
Oh my God. Oh, is that candy bacon?
Yeah. Okay, boy. Oh, shit.
You taste that bacon immediately.
I told you, the brown sugar bacon is mandatory. As soon as I bit it, green onion and the sweetness from the bacon. Fire.
That's amazing.
Man.
I'm gonna get another one.
This is just crazy. Man. And then when you blanch your potatoes, it tastes like mashed potatoes when you eat it. And that Blue Magic, that wet batter and the Blue Magic is just holding it in and keeping it from breaking. And with Blue Magic, it's so crunchy, no matter what sauce you put on it, it's still gonna be crunchy. This shit's fire.
It's for Super Bowl, right?
You know what? Make this shit after football season. Fire.
Yeah, I can see myself asking for this.
Yeah, this is some cheat day shit. Listen, let me know in the comments, have you ever had potato wedges on this level?
No.
No, probably not.
Not never.
Not if you don't have this, you have it. So order up now, it's available. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga enjoy.